Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to upload guys Tecno phone guys. You can see guys this is your color problem. Your screen color problem guys. You can see your icon color is different. Everything is different in your phone. So how can you solve this color problem in your Tecno phone? Today I will show you in this video guys. So if we call it guys this color correction problem and hence you want to solve your color correction problem in your Tecno phone. So how can you solve? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video guys, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to solve this problem. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Hence you can see this type of setting guys. Again scroll guys, you can see your special function setting guys. Click on special function. Again scroll guys, you can see your accessibility setting guys. Tap here. Then again scroll friends, you can see this type of setting friends. You can see color correction setting guys. Tap here. Guys use color correction right side guys. You can see this icon on in your Tecno mobile. So you will have to click on this icon. Then guys your problem will solve in your Tecno phone guys. You can check friends. You can see guys your skin color is normal, everything is fine in our phone. Color correction program has solved in our Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.